Sriracha shocker! This spicy sauce is worth more than gold. Can you believe the price of a single Sriracha bottle has skyrocketed to $70? Is it time to invest or burn your taste buds with spicy financial decisions? What if I told you that buying a bottle of Sriracha is now more expensive than owning a share of Coca-Cola, PayPal, or Pfizer? In a shocking turn of events, a Sriracha shortage has caused prices to hit an all-time high. But it's actually cheaper to invest in some blue-chip stocks. While Sriracha lovers scramble to find affordable bottles, financial savants are sizzling with excitement. Just think about it, you can own a slice of Coca-Cola, the beverage behemoth, for a mere $60.58. Or why not spice up your investment game with a serving of Pfizer at $68.1? And did you know that Bank of America shares are priced at just $29.2 per share? That's practically a steal compared to a Sriracha bottle. This spicy scarcity has sent shockwaves through the culinary world, leaving tongues burning and wallets empty. As the chili pepper shortage continues to plague Huy Fong Foods, the masterminds behind Sriracha, prices have reached unprecedented heights. While some cry over their empty pockets, others see this as a chance to invest wisely and savor the taste of financial success. In a delightful twist, the Sriracha shortage has inadvertently spiced up the investment game. As the price of a single bottle surpasses the stratosphere, the allure of blue-chip stocks shines brighter than ever. Take a bite out of the stock market with Coca-Cola, PayPal, or Pfizer, and let your investments sizzle alongside your taste buds. Remember, the Sriracha shortage may leave your mouth burning, but it doesn't have to scorch your bank account. Don't forget to smash that follow button for spicier updates. Wikifx, a global broker regulatory inquiry app. See you soon.